Here at MDF in the polymer and composites manufacturing area, we have a wide range of processing equipment, from material feedstock development in the form of a twin screw compounder all the way up to a 500-ton press. We also have injection molding capabilities in the 35 and 300-ton range. We have multiple composites cure ovens. We have a thermoforming capabilities, as well as continuous fiber composites capabilities in the form of filament winding and vacuum-assisted resin transfer molding. In polymer composites and manufacturing, we are currently focused on developing lightweight, high strength and stiffness, and high throughput processes for the areas of transportation, energy generation, as well as the aerospace area. We are also looking at integrating processes to take the best parts of each of them to create unique solutions to composites challenges. We also are looking at the entire life cycle of composites, from the generation of them to how you can reuse them once they've gone through their main purpose, to upcycle and downcycle these processes. We also are looking at ways of making composites manufacturing smarter, and how can we integrate all these machines and materials and systems to take a smarter approach to manufacturing in Industry 4.0. In the area of composites and polymer manufacturing, we leverage partnerships across the entire supply chain with companies that develop resin and feedstocks, to the machine suppliers, and as well as the OEMs and the end part users. We take an approach like this because without combining all of these individual areas together, it's hard to make truly innovative solutions in composites.